Good morning. Let me see a problem. A square prism, 35 mm side and 60 mm axis length, rests on HP on one of its corner of the base, such that the base containing the corner on which it rests makes equal inclination with HP. Okay. Draw the projection of the prism when the axis of the prism is inclined to HP at 40 degree and appears to be inclined at 45 degree to VP. So now let me make the given data like this. So it's a projection of solid square prism. Okay, given data is square prism and rest on HP one of its corner. Let me draw the first initial position. Select a line 0.13 mm thickness. Select the scale X and Y. Above the reference line vertical plane VP, below to it is HP. Now for making a square prism of 35 mm side, we have to draw the square prism. So the top view where we have to keep it is top view of 35 mm. So width 35, height 35, line thickness select 0.5. Okay, you can keep it on HP. Now you can see this individual line segments should be grouped together. So select and make a group of it. On center it will be grouped. Then you can make it as a 0.5 mm thickness. Right. Rest on HP on one of its corner of the base. So here now it is at the edge. It should be rotated to its corner, and the same time it should be having equal degrees of inclination. So just for for a reference we can make one reference line. In that we can rotate and keep the corner. So rotate the top view of the square, select a corner point of rotation. Okay, any corner you can take the point of rotation, that should be tilted. So you need not to make an angle also. So if it is rotated, the corner because the prism is rest on corner, so we have to make rotate, select this point, like a 45 degree line. So it can be like this. To understand the concept, because 90 degree for a square it will come. So inclination is equal inclination is 45 degree each side. That is done. Whether it is correctly or not, check before, because if the initial position is wrong, and everything will be wrong. Now we have to project the front view by projecting the corners of the top view. Draw projector lines from each corner to the reference line. Now we have to draw the front view of the prism. Keep it in mind that we are drawing prism. Select 0.5 mm thickness and draw the prism height. What is the height is given? Axis height is 60 mm. And while drawing, please select end points, proper end points, end to end points, so that it will be a correct one. 60 mm, so we can length mention 60 mm and angle is 90 degree, so that it will come straightly. And now we cannot give dimension, we have to check the alignment. So this is the alignment, we can check it. And now the top and front view almost over, but this corner, the visible corners, so here at the center on line has to draw, we have to draw the visibility. Since it is kept in a corner, we can see all the three vertical edges. So it should be of 0.5 mm thickness, so all the three edges will be visible. I will mention the names for the prism. So we know that top face and bottom face will be a square, and so number or naming different faces, it will be fine. I am taking A, B, C, D for the top face, and for the bottom face it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here B dash and D dash will come in a line, and B dash is visible, D dash is invisible. So this A dash, and here B dash and D dash will come, and this is the single corner C dash. At the bottom face you can see A dash is directly connected to 1 dash, B dash is connected to 2 dash, and the back, that is D dash, is connected to 4 dash, C dash is with a 3 dash. We can move one nearby, so one corner, that is 2 and 4, here the 3. I hope you can imagine that. In the top view, like that, we have to mention the name. As I said, the top visible, we can see A, B, C, D easily, and the bottom face is 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the top, if you are seeing, A is visible, 1 is hidden, B is visible, and 2 is hidden. So it should be in bracket. C is visible face, a corner, and 3 is hidden, and D is visible, 4 is hidden. So the front and the top view we can check whether it is correct. The naming should not get changed. We can use A1, BB1, whatever it is. So but this is convenient, it will be convenient. Let's check the center point. Since the question is when the axis of prism is inclined to HP at 40 degree and appears to be inclined at 45 degree, we have to draw the center axis. But while joining, please assure that it should be 0.13 mm thickness, the top view, otherwise it will be looking like a pyramid. So for making the top view, while finding the center point, just use 0.13 mm thickness lines and find the center. This is the center line which is already aligned. So the visible edge and the center line are lying in a same position, so we cannot show it. For the in second position, we have to move the front view of the prism, and it should be grouped first so that it can be moved totally, and it should be moved with a copy command. If you are not copied, then totally it will be moved, so make a copy of it. Next, we will keep it at some distance. Since the question what it is given is the axis is inclined 40 degree to HP. So the axis now it lies in B dash D dash 2 dash 4 dash line. It is at the center. So this axis and the side C dash 2 3 dash is parallel. So I can rotate by selecting this 3, and moreover it is located, it is rest on a corner. Okay, the corner is 3. So by selecting the corner 3, we can rotate for the angle what it is given to the inclination is 40 degree. So we can write 40 degree, type 40 degree, and keep it. Rotation angle, position angle is 40 degree. You can select it and check it. How to check it is extend this center line, because question is axis is inclined to 40 degree. So select, extend that, and let me make a center axis now. So let it be. So select the only that center line, ungroup this for making selecting that particular. Now we can, since it is visible, we should not change it. The prism, it should be as like as in the initial view, it should not be get changed. Only the axis I want to get show here, so that portion only we can make it out there. Check this degree. So the axis of the prism inclined to HP is 40 degree. Now it is clear. Now we have to draw the top view after this inclination. This can be done by projecting lines from each corners. Draw the vertical projector lines by using 0.13 mm thickness of thin line. Draw vertically. C dash from B dash D dash one line, from A dash one line. Right. Now horizontal lines from here. First face is A or 1. This is the lower base and upper base. So we can select 1 2 3 4, extend 1 2 3 4 with the 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash and 4 dash. So 3 to 3 dash, and 4 to 4 dash. So the lower base, lower square face we have done. Better number it now itself, where 1 2 3 and 4 comes. So it will be, there will not be any mistake later. Now the top face, A to A dash, B to B dash. C dash and D dash. If it is not correct, you can zoom it also, you can do it, or select the end point correctly and intersection. Okay, find. Views you can make it where A B C D comes, so A to A, where it comes, there you have to put A, intersection of A and A, so that is the A, B, C, D. So now we can join, we can make the faces, lower faces 1 2 3 4 and upper face ABCD. Better boundary, first finish the boundary, that is the top view 1 2 B C D 4, this is the maximum boundary, so make it join all the points in the boundary, outer boundary, and select 0.5 mm thickness, so that we can get a overview, that is the boundary of the top view we come to know. Within this remaining things can be done. So when we are seeing from the top, the top face ABCD is visible fully, so that we can draw now with the 0.5 mm thickness, so fully visible. Select intersection point A and B, like that, A to D. So now this is exactly what we will get it from the top. So join the lines, edges, that is 2 to B is done, 1 to A. So now it's everything is over. 1A, 2B, 3C. So the 3C is hidden now. So 3 is hidden side when we are seeing from the top, the 3 and 4. These are all should be done with the hidden lines. We cannot leave it as it is. We have to show it by selecting that hidden. Okay, so once it is hidden, the edge which joins through 3 to C is also a hidden one, that has to be done. And axis line, so we have to show the axis from 0 to O to O dash, that is axis line. Select axis with 0.5 mm thickness. O1 is the base, this axis point, end point, and in the top it is O. Three to C is a line, that is the edge, which should be also done with the hidden line. Okay, next is we have to trim unwanted lines. This is our first initial position, and second position, that is inclination of the prism at a corner is over. Now we have to make the third position, that is inclination appears to VP at 45 degree. The axis, when the axis of the prism is inclined, okay, is HB is over, then it appears to be inclined to VP. So first draw a 45 degree line from the reference, either make angle 45. Length is not a mandatory, so we can extend the length. Select point 13 mm, thin line always. Now this is the inclination with reference to VP. Now this view should be rotated and it should be kept on in the inclined line. So move a copy of it. Axis should to be inclined, so we have to select either O or C or 3 which is in the line. That move point we can select, and now we are keeping it on this line, one point, that is C. Now the axis O1 dash should lies, it is appears to be inclined to 45 degrees. So when the problem it shows appears to be inclined, directly we can keep the axis, select center point either O or C, everything will come in a straight line, so we can select that and rotate it. There should not be copy command, it should be removed, so that totally it is tilted. Now it is rotated, the axis is inclined, appears to be inclined to VP for the given angle. Now we have to draw the top view after this inclination by projecting lines from the second position. Select thin lines, 0.13 mm line thickness. Draw the projector lines. One and C overlapping, 2, 4, 3. Now from the top view we have to project it. So the face, top face ABCD, so A with A dash, B with B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, we can mention the names where A comes, A dash, the front view with a dash, B, so the B dash will come here, and D dash in the straight line, C dash okay. Once if it is over, then bottom face, project one with 1 dash, 2 with 2 dash. If it is not exactly, you can make it a extend and a trim. Okay. Two with 2 dash. So if it not comes correctly, you can make it zoom so that the view will be clear. Go for zoom option, select nearby the closer window. So when it extends to 4, you can keep it simply. Three dash here, 4. Okay. 1 2 3 4, the base 1 dash, 2 dash. Now here it is 4 dash. One, two, three, 4. We can join the lines. Keep it for visible. So the boundary, there is the outer points. We can make it. Now join the faces, bases first. What is the 1 2 3 4 is the lower base, ABCD is the upper base. So that can be done. The outer points which are there, now it is bounded over there. That is also one way we can do it. Now the top ABCD and 1 2 3 4 can be done. The edges 1 to A, 1 to A, 2 to B, 1 to 2, like that. Draw with the thin lines first. Let me draw with 0.13 mm thickness first. Then we can select the visible edges. So select the outer lines, which is maximum outer. That outer line, select it and put 0.5 mm thickness. So we will get the outline. What is the outline of the top view? We will get it. So when we see from the bottom, that is the view, this 1 2 3 4 as a visible base. When we are seeing from the bottom, that now this is visible. So the visible edges 2 to B, 1 to A, all are visible edges 0.5 mm thickness. Remaining and all hidden line, that we have to make it with the help of that is hidden lines. Now the visible edges, all the visible edges which is joining the top should be joined with thickness 0.5 mm thickness. When the line crosses a base, that is full base, it should be hidden. So the edge 4D, when it crosses the face, it is hidden. Here like this, which crosses, we have to make it hidden line. So that AD, DC and 4D are in hidden line, because they are coming under visible, the lines which is processing the visible limits. So now draw the axis, show the axis in the top view. So the base axis and lower end, .13 mm thickness, and we have to draw the axis from this point to that top here, that is O1. It is over here. Axis, now O axis is done. Now the question is a dimension, we have to finish it. So a square prism 35 mm, so ungroup it, sure, dimension 35, okay, and the axis length is 60, so that is there, and the inclination angle of 40, and here it is appears to be inclined, axis is appears to be inclined, so directly we tilt it to 45 degree, and this is the problem. It's over. 35 60, rest on corner, okay, inclination 40 and VP 45 degree. When it is appears, we can make it directly, otherwise we have to find the beta angle, that we will see in the next problem.